Hello everyone, here we are on Cooking with KooKoo YouTube channel. Dave Myers, KooKoo for Cocoa, and we're going to do some sides, some summer sides. This one we're going to happen to do is going to be on the grill, and it's going to be Cuban grilled corn, also known sometimes as Mexican street corn, and it is absolutely delicious. You would be surprised the stuff you put on it, and then bam, it's so great. You got 4 ears of corn here. There's several ways you can do the Mexican street corn. You can do it right on the cob, which is what we're going to do, and you can also have it off the cob. You can use frozen corn. You can use several ways. You just use the same ingredients. So what we have here is I have a stick of butter melted, and we're going to put in there a teaspoon of Mexican seasoning. And then we're going to stir that all up. We're going to use the brush when we get out there, but we'll stir this all up. We'll get out there. We're going to paint our corn when we get it ready. So that's real tough. 2 ingredients, put one in the other, melt the butter, and get ready to go grill our corn. Okay, here we go. We're getting ready to get our corn ready. Once again, like I mentioned, there are several ways you can do it, and one of the ways is on the cob. And in this case, we're just gonna, all you do is peel the husk and the silk back and get rid of the silk as you kind of go. Peel all the way back to the end. Some of this is gonna fall off. Mostly this peeling back stuff, and not to pull it all the way off, is for kind of decoration. All right, we got our 4 beautiful ears of corn cleaned up. Now we're going to take our melted butter concoction with our Mexican seasoning and paint it right on the old ear of the corn. Okay, we're ready to pop our corn into the grill. Have your grill kind of at a high heat. We're going with 375 today. Seems like this particular grill might go a little warmer. And so you let it go for a couple minutes, turn it, let it go for a couple minutes, turn it, let it go for a couple minutes, turn it. Somewhere between 6 and 10 minutes max. Okay, we're taking these babies off the grill and go to the next phase. Oh, I like the way that burnt. That's kind of cool. And head back in, finish this off. Here we go. Okay, so we're back in here. We got our corn warmed over there under a little bit of aluminum foil. We're going to make our next phase of coating for our corn. So we got 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and a pinch of salt. Stir this up. Now we bring our corn over and we brush this stuff on. The directions call for hound dog yelling, cotija cheese. That's the Mexican version. I've had the Mexican version. Man, it blows your socks off. I'm gonna try the Asiago because cojita was not available. So sometimes I get it. There's times when you just want that nice, crisp, juicy, sweet taste of corn on the cob. Absolutely get it. A little butter. But then there's sometimes you just want to tell the dog to shut up and change things up. So this is one really good one. The last thing that goes on here is our Mexican seasoning. It's 2 teaspoons. Okay, let's see what this corn tastes like. It's got spice, it's got the creaminess, rich in butter. Corn tastes great. Mexican street corn, Cuban grilled corn, whatever you want to call it. It's good corn. So, till next time, please go to Cooking with KooKoo, where you can see all our YouTube videos. Also like us on Facebook, KooKoo for KooKoo, and do not hesitate to reach out to us and if you want any of the products that we use in our recipes. Until next time, Dave Myers, KooKoo for KooKoo.